How to build your brand with Desygner. With the power of Desygner brand assets, you can create designs that will perfectly fit your brand. First, start by adding your business colors to a custom or favorite color palette, making them only a click away in the editor. Easy, right? If your business uses a particular font, save time and effort by importing it and get instant access from the editor. Add and create different versions of your logos for quick and easy access. Just drag and drop your logos in our templates and make them yours. If your designs frequently use the same text, add text templates so you never have to write them again. When designing, images are important. Desygner helps you import, search, and organize all your images to create powerful designs in seconds. It's easy to empower your brand with Desygner.